So today's lessons is stir fry beef with chicken and noodles. And there you could see the beef is coming in nicely, browning very nice. Alright, put a little bit of oyster sauce in our beef. Alright, let it simmer a little bit, just for a few minutes. So you get the beef nice and medium. And now you don't want it to be cooked well done. Okay, you want it medium, so it will be nice and juicy. Right, so that is off temperature there now. So I will add my noodles with my vegetables. Right, as you can see, it has red cabbage in it, white cabbage, carrots, onions, sweet pepper, and you just toss it up. And in the restaurant we call this beef lo mein. Right, home my kids call it dinner. So hope you have fun cooking this. If you need some more tips, just contact Chef Michael Gopal. All right, bye.